Flash Chromebook. Hi, everyone, we are Celltronix. Today, we'll reflash a Chromebook using USB. Here we don't know the password, so let's reset it by escape key, and are now click power wash. Now wait till it boot. Next we'll find its version model details by code.
A few moments later.
After that, open Chrome in address bar, type this command, and hit enter. Now press Ctrl key and F key and type model, hit enter. There you can see ours blaze by HP. Now on other laptop, we will download its firmware and make bootable USB with that. In Chrome, install Chrome Utility from Chrome Store. It's free. Then open it. This kind of window will be open. Now go to on working laptop, open Chrome there, and install Utility in Chrome. And type the model that we found on Chromebook. Here it's blaze. Now click Erase Recovery USB. It will ask you create a bootable USB with this image. Now click Create. Now it'll take time to make a bootable USB by auto download firmware files from Chrome. Don't unplug during this process. When done, it will create a bootable media disk. Now unplug this from laptop and plug in on your Chromebook. Press Escape key with refresh key, plug USB, and then power it on once on key until installation start. Once done, unplug the USB and follow the wizard. That's all for today. Share it with others, spread knowledge to the world. Join us for more video if you like. God bless us all, Amin.